Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Waller's Wallet, and we have some new credit card bonuses from the Marriott program. The Hyatt card now has two bonuses, and you get to pick which one you want. We even see American Express removing one of the credits from the Gold card. So let's take a look at these and what does this mean for you. Now, if you want a simple way to help out the channel, consider hitting that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on as well so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, some of you may realize I'm not recording in my studio right now. We're actually down visiting some family, but just because I'm traveling does not mean the video stopped being made. So I just set up shop in my dad's basement to record because that's just what I do. Now, first, let's start off with American Express removing the airline credit on the Gold card. And before people get all up in arms about this change is happening January of 2022. So if you're someone who's currently a Gold card member, it means you're going to get this credit until the end of 2021. And I think that really means for cardholders with renewals in 2021, you're going to get it until that next renewal date, which ends up into 2022. Then for new renewals and new cardholders in 2022, this benefit will no longer be available. But there is speculation that there will be another benefit added, but we just don't know what it'll be yet. But American Express says they will continue to evolve and enhance their benefits to provide relevant and rich value to their cardholders. So it'll be interesting to see what American Express could add to this card. But if American Express keeps the earning rates on this card the same, a grocery credit would actually be pretty useful. But if it is in general American Express fashion, it's not going to be super easy to use. It's going to probably be like getting a $15 statement credit when you buy pizza rolls from a grocery store whose name has 5 letters or less in it. But I do think they will need to add something, especially considering this card is $250. If not, I think they really do risk making current cardholders very upset about this. Now, I don't feel like the loss of the airline credit is actually that huge of a loss on this card. The airline credit was pretty restricted to begin with, and there were plenty of people who had a difficult time using this airline credit. And I already value the airline credit at 50% of its full value due to that reason. But if they do remove the airline credit without adding a new benefit, then it definitely becomes a devaluation to the Gold card. So let's hope whatever credit they decide to add to this card, they make it more user-friendly for customers. And since this benefit is sticking around for another year, if you're someone getting value out of the Gold card, then there's really no reason to cancel it for something that's happening over a year from now. But if 2022 comes and American Express still hasn't added some extra benefit to this card, then absolutely run the numbers to see if the card still makes sense for you. Then we're seeing Hyatt offer 2 different sign-up bonuses, and they're letting you choose the sign-up bonus you want, which I actually like the ability to be able to pick a sign-up bonus based on which one I think I would benefit most from. And the first offer is the offer we've seen for quite a while now. It's a tiered offer with the 25,000 points coming after that first $3,000 spend. Then you get an additional 25,000 points after spending a total of $6,000 in the first 6 months. The other offer is that you get a $200 statement credit, and you're also going to get a free night certificate at a category 1 through 7 property after spending $3,000 in the first 3 months. Now, both of these offers are quite different. In the offer with the 1 free night certificate, we should convert this into a point value to see the overall value we could receive from that offer. Because a category 7 property, it's going to cost 30,000 points per night. Then I value Hyatt points at about 2 cents per point. So that means that $200 statement credit would be about the equivalent of 10,000 Hyatt points. So that means this offer would be the equivalent of 40,000 Hyatt points, which is far less than the other offer. And I really don't see any reason why anyone would choose the offer with the statement credit, because it's just an inferior offer all the way around. Even if you're someone who prefers to stay at high-end Hyatt properties, the 50,000 point offer will let you stay at high-end properties and give you more flexibility as well. It even has enough points to stay at a Category 8 property in the small luxury hotel collection or even at one of the Maraviral properties, but you're not going to be able to get that with that certificate offer. Then if you're someone who's like myself who prefers to stay at lower level properties, you're going to get far more nights out of that 50,000 point bonus, because the Hyatt award chart starts at just 5,000 points per night and offers some solid redemption options when you redeem your points. But I guess if you didn't run the numbers, you may think the free night certificate may offer you more value, and you may not realize that you can get more value with that 50,000 point offer, even if you do have to spend more money overall. So while it's great to see Hyatt give people an option for which credit card bonus they want, you really should be choosing the 50,000 point offer if you're considering the Hyatt card, because it just offers you more value. Then lastly, we see increased offers on the American Express Marriott Brilliant card and the American Express Marriott Business card. And right now, American Express is offering up to 125,000 points on the Brilliant card, but this is a multi-year offering. you're going to earn 100,000 points after spending $5,000 in the first 90 days. Then you get an additional 25,000 points after your first anniversary. And since I value Marriott points at about 0.8 cents per point, that means those 25,000 points you get in year 2 are worth about $200, which does cover quite a bit of that $450 annual fee. Then the Marriott Business Card is offering a 100,000 point offer after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months and up to $150 in US advertising costs, which you'll be able to get that credit for up to the first 6 months of opening this card. And the advertising expenses include online purchases, TV, and radio advertising. Also remember, the business version does not affect your 524 status. Then for both of these offers, you're going to get Platinum Elite status through 2021. This is actually a pretty solid offering for these cards. But also keep in mind that the Chase Boundless card is also offering those 5-night certificate worth up to 250,000 points. So you would want to take a look at these options to see which one of these is going to be best for you. And the interesting benefit of these bonuses with the American Express cards is that Platinum Elite status, which you do not get standard with any of the Marriott cards. And this benefit comes with better room upgrades, a welcome gift which can include free breakfast, lounge access, which again can include breakfast, and even late checkout. So this is actually a benefit that could be worth it for some people. But really, for it to be worth it, I do think you really want to have plenty of Marriott stays in 2021. But these offers are very solid in terms of points, and if you have Marriott stays coming up, that Platinum status could also be very useful. And even with these increased offers from American Express, I do find the Boundless offer with those 5-night certificates to be the best sign-up bonus of the 3, especially if you're someone who does not mind staying at mid-level properties. Now, while the American Express Gold Card losing the airline credit in 2022 is a negative, remember, it's still over a year away. So let's sit tight and see what American Express potentially offers in its place, because I think they are going to do something to replace that airline credit on the Gold Card. And I do like seeing Hyatt being able to give customers the option to pick their credit card bonus. Although one of the options is definitely better than the other one, maybe we will see comparable offers in the future that let customers pick bonuses that might fit more of their travel style or let them hit their travel goals. Then we see Marriott, who continues to impress me with their strong credit card offerings, including these increased bonuses, which hopefully will propel other hotel companies or banks to do something more with their credit cards. So tell me, what do you think of these increased offers? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, take a look at the links down in the description below. And if you know somebody that could benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. Until next time, stay travel and take care.